Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBit Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing start to your trading week. Quick little market update. So market is selling off. You guys could look at any news article. It's literally just what I like to call headline momentum. There's not anything new that is being reported. It's just based off of, that interest rate hike of 0.5%. And the Santa Claus rally that everyone was expecting, which was pretty much a rally towards the end of the year around Christmas, doesn't really look like it's going to be happening. So I think markets are pretty much just cooling off. The other thing, again, that we will quickly want to talk about is, why is the market selling off? I thought we wanted a 0.5% interest rate hike. We did, but again, the Federal Reserve announced that it's just going to be raising rates for a little bit longer than we originally expected, especially after inflation came in at 7.1%, with the previous expectation to be right around 7.2 to 7.3%, right? Or 7.3 to 7.4%. As of right now, although markets are down, it's not anything that makes me feel uncomfortable. It's 0.65% as of right now. We're showing signs of a potential reversal on the 1 minute time frame. One recommendation that I would have for you guys is, especially if you tend to make very impulsive decisions and you're trying to be a little bit more selective, a little bit more calculated, you don't have to. But one of the things that I like to do with my Learn Plan Profit group is looking at larger time frames, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, whatever it is that you find to be kind of like that middle ground for you. On the 1 minute, you can just often find yourself entering when you think that there's confirmation and then it ends up getting rejected right away. We have to respect one thing, and that's market direction. And market direction is bearish right now. We're getting rejected by that overall moving average on that 5 minute time frame. It's very easy to see that. If you want to take a further step back, look at the 1 hour. It's very easy to see how oversold we are, but also how bearish we are. So yes, I would love to see the market begin to trade above, excuse me, around 274, 275. But you don't have to be early to this reversal when there's no confirmation, right? We still have this huge upside, even if you do wait for confirmation. So this is just a reminder for all of you guys that are wanting to enter or wanting to trade, that great, have that desire, but stay calculated, right? Watch that position size. And if you're under the PDT rule and you're trying to be, a little bit more effective or calculated, then understand the big picture, right? Like, you don't have to enter anywhere from 272 to 276. You don't have to. It's still very early, and we've been getting rejected by that EMA line. So more often, especially if you're a day trader, right? You don't want to enter a position hoping that it goes up and then just continues to sell right back off. So this is where, again, yes, this additional 1.5% would be nice, but you know what's even nicer? If you do wait for confirmation and where a majority of the margin is above the EMA, right? 6.5%. So this is just a reminder that, don't concern yourself so much, or don't feel so worried about missing out when you have so much time to wait for confirmation, right? Especially during this holiday season. Focus on yourself, focus on your family, focus on building healthy habits. Remember, it's not about being perfect. You'll never get it perfectly. This isn't about being perfect. Markets are always changing, and they're always going to challenge you. But embrace that, right? Embrace it. So again, just wanted to remind you on why maybe looking at a little bit of a larger time frame could be of value for you if you tend to make impulsive decisions, right? If you want to continue to trade on the 1 minute time frame, nothing wrong with it. I just often find myself making impulsive decisions when, I wish I would have just had a better understanding of, that true direction. So there's no major economic report that was released today. We did have the housing market index report, and it actually came in lower than expected. So again, that's good news for the Federal Reserve, bad news for the overall market. But again, it doesn't really have a major impact. Tomorrow, 1 hour before the market opens, we have housing starts, and then we have building permit reports, which do have a slight influence. Sorry, I'm a little under the weather. But it shouldn't be anything that's too significant. And again, that's going to be on Tuesday, 1 hour before the market opens. And I can't stress this enough. If you guys ever have any questions, especially as you're just getting started in the stock market, I hope that you know that I'm always just one direct message away. You can send me a direct message via Discord. That's that first link in the description. Or if it's non-trading related, send me a direct message via Instagram, and that's that third link down below. You will, if you do follow me on Instagram or any social media platform, you will get followed by fake accounts. I'm letting you know that I offer one thing, and it's my Learn Plan Profit group. They get to watch me trade live every day. So we just wrapped up our live trading session, and they got to see my entries, my exits, and I answer questions in real time. If that is something that you would want to learn more about, take 2 minutes, click the second link down below, learn more about it, and see if it's a good fit for you. Other than that, I don't trade for you, I don't trade for anyone else, and I don't manage other people's money. Those are all fake accounts trying to encourage you to send them Bitcoin through WhatsApp or through Telegram. I don't do any of that. I offer one thing, and that's LPP if you want to work with me on a closer basis. The stock market is hard. It's very challenging, but it's one of the things that I enjoy most because, again, it's every single day that it presents new challenges. So if you're looking for an easy way out, the stock market's definitely not it. If you're looking for a good way to be able to challenge yourself and you want to do it with a good group, then again, learn more about our group, second link in the description, and see if we're a good fit for you. If you have any questions, you guys know how to reach out to me. Don't forget, if you guys want to enter the Christmas giveaway to win an iPad or a PS5, that's going to be the fourth link in the description for shoptechbuds.com. Again, I'm using the Webull application to trade, and if you want to download that, it is free, and that's that fifth link down below. I appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.